Stella, I know you love me, but isn't it about time you found some of your own kind of animal friends? Let's see what you can do. Stella, a cat? Oh, I thought we could do better than that. He is cute, though. I think it's time for a road trip, Stella. There you go. Wow. Well, that's more like it. Welcome to Dog Beach. Dog Beach sits on the Gulf side of Lover's Key, where the arrow points at 8800 Estero Boulevard at what is the south end of the key. You'll find it right over the bridge just south of Fort Myers Beach. Most of the key is a 712-acre state park where no humans reside. Instead, it's the wildlife that rules. Among the creatures you're going to find are West India manatees, bottlenose dolphins, marsh rabbits, and more than 40 bird species, including roseate spoonbills, osprey, snowy egrets, bald eagles, American kestrel, woodpeckers, hawks, owls, and warblers. Say that 3 times fast. Then there are our furry friends who call this place home thanks to the no-leash Doggy Beach, where they swim and frolic every day from 7 a.m. to dusk. The Dog Beach even stocks waste bags and features a shower station. From Chihuahuas to German Shepherds, you'll find a canine community that has a barking good time. What a perfect name for a beautiful poodle. And this is your first time to Dog Beach? Oh, she's a Labradoodle. Yeah, I can't tell all these doodles now. and what made you think she was going to like the beach?
Well, we're down here and she has wet feet.
Yeah.
We live up north.
Well, she is adorable.
So she's a good girl. In the water.
Yeah. And it's your first time here, huh?
Yes.
And what do you think of it?
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's best to come at low tide. This is an incoming tide, so we're kind of running out of beachfront quickly. But yeah, well, wonderful. I'm glad you guys came. It's a fun place to be. That's for sure.
I'm scared for all the other dogs and people.
Feel really bad.
Grew up here. You
Yes.
grew up on the beach.
Yes.
And
I grew up on a beach too.
you did? Well, that's a great place to grow up, isn't it? Yeah, that's
My
awesome.
whole life, Fort Myers Beach, we would come here. This is the only place we could have them off leash.
It's
and
true.
honestly, like they can't enjoy themselves
You're
when they're
absolutely
on
right.
leash.
You're
Off
absolutely
leash,
right.
you get
Yeah.
the boats, you get the music,
Yep.
you get the environment,
Yep.
everything.
Good. And do you love Dog Beach too?
I actually love dogs and I love beaches, so that's technically loving dog
You're
beaches.
perfect. Perfect.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Hey. Thanks, Lee. Hi. Great day at Dog Beach. I sure hope you enjoyed it.